The number of AI tools available to marketers is at an all-time high. New processing models, companies, and platforms are constantly appearing with the aim of automating work and making our lives easier. In the span of time that it would take even a well-versed writer to draft up technical, industry-specific blog posts, a trained AI tool can outline several more. The mistakes that many solopreneurs or one-person marketing team often make, however, is the over-reliance on AI for every part of their marketing program. Yes, a well-used AI tool can help you do more with less, but it isn't a replacement for the time, expertise, and a human touch that goes into establishing a successful content strategy that's aligned with your target audience. So what is a content strategy? At its most basic, a content strategy is a plan to create, distribute, and manage content for specific business goals. In other words, it's a plan for how your business uses content to drive engagement and meet your other business goals. You can break a strategy down into 3 parts. The first is planning, the most time-consuming step where you go through the goals, content types, channels, and what you'll track to measure the success of your strategy. Knowledge around your ICP and your products or services will drive many of the decisions here. The second part is creation. This is what everyone usually thinks of when they think about marketing. Creating, publishing, sharing, and distributing content across channels. And finally, maintenance. Using performance data to do more of what's resonating with your audience to further refine your strategy according to business needs or shifts in the market. Different AI can be used across different parts of the entire strategy creation and execution process. From coming up with new ideas and angles to starting outlines and drafts, AI is a valuable tool in an effective marketer's arsenal. You have to blend the work between the human and the machine. AI can help scale and drive creation, but you can't sacrifice the ability to pivot, react quickly, and know how to utilize the insight you gain from your audiences.